taking forever to build. Oh, didn't see you there. As you can see, I have built some of my house. It's not fully done, and I'm going to move, but this is it right now. And as you can see over here, the banshees are gone. See? The banshees. Anyway, as you can see, I got a torch. And so it lights it up, and oh, there's a hole there. I'm walking, jumping around. Anyway, as the night was passing on and I was building my house, I heard some noises out there. So I was going to investigate, but I need to put this nail back in this other one because I wasn't done with it. But yeah, I heard some noises, so we're going to go check it out. Cameraman, get down. Down, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, I'm going to go around this other end and see what we can find. Oh my God, you see that? Oh, we have to go check this out. Oh my God. Oh, those are ghost egg sacs. Or ghost egg sacs. I said that wrong. This right here is what holds them up to the ceiling. Rock place. Yes. The rock hard. That's what she said. But they're not breaking. But that means triple times trouble for triple the exacts. Yeah. Anyway, so we're just gonna look around. Look over here. I guess there's nothing other than those. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm just your normal cave dweller, just sitting in my cave.
You okay in there?
Yeah, it's nice in here.
You want to come out?
No.
You want to come to my house? Oh, you look down.
Sure, I guess.
Okay, then stand up and come. Okay, let's go.
I don't want to run.
Oh, well, we're gonna have to. Okay, so let's start running.
Fine.
I'm gonna stop you. Let's go. Are you coming? Okay. I'm just gonna walk through this small puddle. And this is my house.
Ooh, it's very pretty.
I know, I have a torch in it.
Is this your permanent house?
No, it's my temporary home. Just kidding. It is my temporary home.
Oh, nice mongoose.
Yeah. I said I wasn't gonna sing myself. But I do because I'm lonely sometimes.
Ooh.
Cameraman got stuck.
But the cameraman can fly out.
I will. Just gonna see these balls.
So is that mongoose normal color or is it black?
It's normal.
Oh.
Oh, failed. You failed. You failed the game.
I fail at everything.
No, you don't.
Sorry, I bumped into your mongoose. Ooh, I want to climb these rocks.
Okay. But be careful. There's a hole. Okay.
Okay.
No. Oh, you fell in it. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna try and save you. Hold on a second.
I will hit you.
Hey.
See?
No, I'm gonna have to save you. I have to save you.
How?
I don't know. Anyway, I'll get you out of there as soon as I can. I can't. You're just gonna stare at me like that, creeper. Anyway, I'm going get you out, but I'm going to stop the recording because there's going to be some intense measures of getting you out by probably taking down a wall or two and filling that up later. But anyway, just gonna end the recording right here, cameraman, okay? Okay. And yes, so see you next time we start recording when she's out of there because she's clumsy. Isn't that right?
Yes. Bye. Have a good time.
I'm not leaving you yet. I'm gonna freaking find a hammer and some screws and stuff, but anyway, goodbye.